The first one is inktreatable.co.uk. That's a supplier that you can use for print on demand. So if you have a business with this kind of thing, then this is for you. You can see exactly, for the new one who didn't watch my video, I just want to let you know that I make a short presentation of every supplier. I don't go into details how to do it, how to apply, and so on. I just make a small introduction about all the suppliers that I'm talking, but it is your job to go and look more deeper for that supplier. That's your job. And here you can see that you can create your products, you can sell anywhere, and like I said, it is print on demand. So you can sell t-shirts, cups, sweaters, and hoodies. And you can automate your e-commerce stores with Shopify, Etsy, TikTok, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and so on. Wix, many things. You can create custom t-shirt. You have here example. You have this, the price it is in pounds. Let's go up and but why? Because I change it. I set it in dollar. Apply. Let's refresh again the page. Maybe they will show us. But since, yeah, that's just doesn't change. That's okay. We can view the core. And here you have example for every collection. And if it's okay for you, then you can apply. You have mugs here, you have a bottle, and much more. But let's go a little bit down. You can see feature updates. That's more about the some updates. That's not for us. But this I want to show you that if you have a print-on-demand business, you can start to make a partnership with them. Of course, it's up to you if the price for the products is okay, or you will find another print-on-demand company that you'll partner with. But as you see here, you can create unique products. It's easy to design. They are made in UK, so if you are in Europe, you can get a very fast shipping. There is no minimum orders. That's very important when it's coming about print on demand. They deliver globally. That's okay. It is a complete automation, so everything it's gone by default. You don't need to do so much manually. They have eco-friendly products and very fast and friendly support. If you want to read their blog also, it's okay. You can see the print method they have, and dye sublimation, and you can read about it, and you can become an affiliate. For example, on this video, I will leave all the links in the description, and it will be actually affiliate links. So please make sure you use this link. Is no extra cost for you, but if you purchase a product, then I will get a commission. That's a disclaimer, so you know about it. So I hope you consider that.